Hello everyone, today I will present my artifact, which is an article I have written for KuzaGreen, and this article focuses on the importance of sustainable urban development and the adoption of circular economy practices in Africa. The article is structured into several key sections, and to gather information, I relied on reputable sources such as reports and case studies from organizations like the African Development Bank and WWF. I also explored real-world examples and expert insight to ensure the article was grounded in reliable, up-to-date data. And to verify the accuracy and credibility of the sources, I use a tool called MyBib, a citation tool to cross-check all references and ensure they meet high academic standards. So here are some additional resources I use to write my article. So, as I said, the article is divided into several key sections, each addressing different aspects of sustainable urban development and the circular economy in Africa. So we have the introduction to circular economy and sustainability. This section introduces the concept of sustainable urban development and the circular economy, explaining their relevance to African cities facing climate challenges. It sets the stage for understanding how these practices can drive positive change in urban environments. And second, we have the relevance to African cities. So here I explore the specific challenges that African cities face, such as rapid urbanization, climate change, and resources depletion. This section emphasizes how adopting circular economy models and sustainability practices can help addressing these issues by promoting resources efficiency, reducing waste, and creating more resilient communities. And for the third point, we have a case of studies and best practices. This part provides examples of successful initiatives and policies from African cities that have implemented sustainable urban solutions. These case studies demonstrate how nature-based solutions like eco-friendly buildings, green spaces, and waste management systems can make cities more resilient to climate change and improve the quality of life for residents. Fourth, we have a policy recommendations for local governments. In this section, I offer practical recommendations for local governments to integrate circular economy principles into their policies and urban planning process. The focus is on creating sustainable cities that align with global sustainable goals such as the SDGs, while also addressing the needs of vulnerable. The article concludes by positioning KuzaGreen as an advocate for sustainable practices, showcasing its commitment to driving climate action and supporting communities across Africa. It highlights how the organization can contribute to the implementation of strategies discussed in the article. And write down, as you can see, we have the references if you need more reading.